Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you connect a printer to Verizon Internet Gateway. So here's a fix for your Wi-Fi setup, WPS and IP print fix. Connect via Wi-Fi. Turn on your printer, open the printer's Wi-Fi or network settings. Select Wireless Setup Wizard. Choose your Verizon Wi-Fi network, enter the Wi-Fi password, wait until the printer says stay connected. Connect with an Ethernet cable. Plug in Ethernet cable into the printer. Connect the other end to your Verizon Internet Gateway. Wait for the printer to connect automatically. If the printer won't connect, restart the printer and Verizon Internet Gateway. Make sure you are using the correct Wi-Fi password. Move the printer closer to the gateway if the signal is weak. Check that the printer supports your Wi-Fi network. It should be 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Printer network status report from the printer to check its connection. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.